Even if you were overweight before your pregnancy, you can have a healthy baby. Gaining some additional weight during pregnancy is also an important part of a healthy pregnancy. If you already have a high body mass index and have even more increased weight during pregnancy, it can cause many complications in pregnancy and baby delivery. If you are obese during pregnancy, you are at risk of developing gestational diabetes, high blood pressure or preeclampsia, sleep apnea, blood clots, or any other complications during pregnancy. There are increased chances of miscarriage, preterm birth, and cesarean delivery in obese pregnant women. If you are obese while having a pregnancy, your baby is also at risk of birth defects, being overweight, premature birth, stillbirth, and an increased risk of having a chronic condition like heart disease or diabetes in later years of life. Should you try to lose weight during pregnancy? No, do not try to reduce your weight during pregnancy, but you should try to lose weight before getting pregnant to reduce the pregnancy complications. So, how much weight should you gain during pregnancy? You can consult with your doctor about how much weight you should gain during pregnancy. If you are overweight, it is normal to gain about 15 to 25 pounds during pregnancy. If you are obese, your target range should be 11 to 20 pounds. These numbers are greater if you are having multiples, like twins. How to increase your chances of having a healthy baby and healthy pregnancy if you are obese? First, consult with your doctor about when you can start an exercise program and how many calories you should take. You may need more calories if you are pregnant with twins or triplets. Consult a dietitian to get a personalized meal plan according to your body type and level of pregnancy. Consult a fitness trainer to guide you about what exercises you can do and what you shouldn't do. Do not rush and start slowly. Give time to your body to adapt to new changes. Don't overdo the workouts. Focus on doing 30 to 45 minutes of physical activity daily, but start with 10 to 15 minutes in the beginning, then increase gradually. Do moderate exercises only and avoid strenuous ones. Listen to your body and stop or take a break if you feel tired or not feeling comfortable. Maintain a food diary to calculate your daily calories intake. Remember to add foods from all foods groups in your daily diet. Check if you are not lacking in any vital nutrients. Keep in mind that your diet shouldn't include too much salt and sugar. Avoid fried and junk foods. Don't overeat. A pregnant woman needs an average of 300 extra calories a day and 600 if pregnant with twins and 900 if pregnant with triplets. Besides the above diet and activity changes, continue to take your prenatal vitamin supplements regularly throughout the pregnancy. Your doctor will closely monitor you throughout the pregnancy so that possible pregnancy complications can be diagnosed on time and your weight will be measured on each antenatal visit. Don't take any weight reducing supplements during pregnancy, even if they are herbal and have no side effects. You can have a healthy pregnancy if you take care of your diet and carefully manage your weight and do proper exercises during pregnancy. Be in regular touch with your doctor throughout the pregnancy. Don't go for weight loss immediately after the delivery. Give time to your body to heal and recover. Focus on healthy eating during breastfeeding period. Breastfeeding also helps in reducing weight by burning the calories. Eat healthy, stay healthy, and have a healthy pregnancy.